Hello, dear viewers. I'm Dr. Ashwin PS. I'm a periodontist from Bengaluru. Dentist Channel Online has taken up a mega oral health awareness initiative called Save the Tooth campaign. So, Save the Tooth campaign aims to create awareness and spread awareness regarding oral health and also about dentistry among the common public. So, as part of this campaign, I am here to discuss on a branch of dentistry called as periodontics and also specialists in this particular branch who are called as periodontists. So, what is periodontics and what do periodontists do? Periodontics is a branch of dentistry which exclusively deals with gum diseases and also in taking care of gums and other supporting structures of the teeth. Also, periodontics deals with dental implants in restoring the lost tooth and also the soft tissue structures around the implant and tooth. So, what do periodontists do? Periodontists are those specialists in dentistry who exclusively take care of gum tissues by performing various non surgical and also surgical procedures based on the need of patient. So, a basic treatment that periodontists can offer is scaling and root planing. So, what is scaling and root planing? Scaling and root planing involves cleaning of teeth and the root surfaces. So, that can be done by various approaches and also different instruments. So, periodontists are specialized dentists who can perform this treatment of cleaning of teeth uh, in different manner based on the need of patient and also based on the extent of disease. So by performing the cleaning that takes care of the gum tissues and also the gum diseases in its initial stages. So what about advanced gum diseases or what about when the gum disease progresses into deeper supporting structures? So in that case, periodontists can offer certain surgical procedures called as flap surgery. So this is one of the common surgery that periodontists perform. So flap surgery involves elevation or separating the gums from the tooth structure or the bony structure within, and then they will clean the inner surfaces of the teeth or the root and also the bony structures beneath. So by performing that, they can enhance the health of the teeth and also save the teeth. So this is one of the commonly performed surgery by periodontists. Other than this, due to gum diseases, there can be receding of gum line from its normal level. So when the gum line recedes from the normal level, it will lead to several problems like shaking of teeth, or it can also lead to sensitivity. That is, when a person drinks cold or hot objects, or also due to air, there can be sensitivity in the teeth. So to avoid all these problems, periodontists can perform certain surgical procedures that will help to get back the gum line to its normal position. So that can involve grafting by taking some of the gum tissue from the adjacent teeth or any other areas in the mouth, or it can also involve grafting in case there is a loss of bone tissue around the tooth. So all these specialized surgical procedures are performed by periodontists in order to save the teeth. Other than this, if a tooth is shaking, the reasons for tooth to be shaking is when there is loss of supportive structures. For example, there is loss of bone around the tooth, then the teeth will start moving or shaking. So, based on the extent and severity of the disease, a periodontist will decide if the teeth can be saved or it needs to be extracted. So, in case to save, they can perform various procedures like splinting and also all other grafting and surgical procedures, as I mentioned just before. So, splinting is a treatment where they use certain wires or certain uh, surgical procedures to stabilize the tooth. Certain objects will be used to stabilize the tooth such that over a period of time the tooth becomes stronger and it can be saved for further functions. Other than this, there are certain uh, aesthetic surgical procedures that are being performed by periodontists. One instance is gummy smile. So, what is gummy smile? Gummy smile is when a person smiles, more of their gum tissue is seen. so less of tooth structure is seen. So this can pose a aesthetic or problem with appearance. So that may not look good for everyone. So in such cases, periodontists can perform certain surgical procedures to give a proper gum line where it exposes the tooth structure and also the gum tissues proportionately, and that can give a beautiful smile to that particular person. So gummy smiles can be treated by periodontists. Other than this, gums usually have pink color. So in some individuals, due to pigmentation, excessive pigmentation, the gum might appear little black in color or brown in color. In such cases, a treatment called as depigmentation is performed by periodontist by using either surgical techniques or by using laser, which will remove the uh, that colored tissue, the pigmented tissue, and further after healing, it will give a little pinkish color, which will improve the appearance of the gums and also improve the smile. So these are some of the aesthetic treatments that periodontists can offer. Other than this, periodontists also deal with dental implants and also about the maintenance of dental implants. These days, to restore the teeth, dental implants are being widely used. So it's not just about placing the implants, it's also about the maintenance of implants and also the tissues around. Because for dental implants to be stabilized and to be stable, the tissues around matters a lot. So all these are taken care by periodontists by performing proper maintenance procedures and also cleaning protocols. So periodontists give a comprehensive care and also a proper care for the gum tissues so that the teeth remain stable for various functions. And also, as I mentioned before, periodontists also offer certain aesthetic treatments that can improve your appearance and smile. And also, they can restore the lost tooth by placing dental implants and also by taking care of the soft tissue and also taking care of the maintenance part of both teeth and dental implants. So this is all about a branch of dentistry called as periodontics and also about the specialists called as periodontists. So for more information on dentistry, keep following Save the Tooth campaign and also Dentist Channel online. Thank you.